Hi guys, I'm Vutivi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, when the lockdown started, me and Karla decided that we're gonna embark on a big DIY project in our living room just to keep ourselves busy. We are not yet finished, but we just wanted to share with you guys how far we've come.
Hello.
Hi guys, so this is how our place looked like in 2019 March. As you can see, we have the 3-seater couch and the 2 occasional chairs. We then later added a rug from Mr. Price Home. This is a very low maintenance rug and it didn't require any vacuum cleaning. I just simply use a broom to clean it out on a weekly basis.
So guys, we decided to repaint our living room because we thought the paint didn't complement our furniture. So we decided to go with a grey and we went and got paint from
Builders Warehouse. This was during level 4. They were open, so I think this kept us busy. What I like about this paint is that it's a combo between a blue and a gray. So it's different, it's beautiful. It's from Dulux and the code is tinfoil if you were wondering.
Yeah, so one mistake we made, we forgot to put the primer and then the paint turned out to be bluish. So we had to repaint again and yeah,
I think that really wasted a lot of money because the one bucket of paint almost cost like 1,000 rand. So guys, please remember to put primer if you are trying to repaint a wall that already has a color other than white.
Yeah, so we got furniture during lockdown, level 4, and delivered in
level 3 from Decor. So we decided to add 3 bar stools, metallic bar stools, and I think I like them. I like really low maintenance things, as you know, like we work and we don't have a helper, so this didn't require me to clean them or anything. Maybe a wipe here and there, but yeah, they not want to collect dust or any chakalaka after a Sunday 7 colors meal. So we also got a coffee table from Decor, and you guys will be seeing it towards the end of the video. We also got a TV stand. That was my favorite buy because we got to replace our small awkward TV stand that we had.
Yeah, so they assembled
the TV stand. I think you pay an additional 90 rand for them to assemble everything.
So you're about to see how our home looks like now.
So this is what we have right now. Like I said, we got a new coffee table. I like the illusion that this coffee table has. It's there, but it's not there. So it's not like it takes away space visually, but it's still usable. So I think what I need to get is a tray to put my candles so that they don't leak on my table. I also have a Zanzibar plant that Kurula got for me, and we have 3 books that we read occasionally.
So we got a plant from
Builders.
Yeah, so it's an indoor plant, and
it's also low maintenance. I water it like twice a week, and as you can see, it is blooming. So yeah, I'm a plant whisperer, plant mom by profession. So we also got floating shelves from Builders. Corolla used a driller for the first time and I was scared. And as you can see, I also have a fake orchid plant, and I got that vase from Street Sheet. So my favorite addition to the living room is this mirror, this arch mirror. I love it. It looks like a mirror. No, not like a mirror, like a window. Yeah. So we also got 2 additional floating shelves. I have a vase and I also have my diffuser there. And yeah, these are the cushions that I'm dealing with now: velvet, fluff, leather. So I have different textures and different colors, but I kept everything neutral. As you can see, I have a diffuser, a candle, and a pot. So this is our couch, guys.
So we decided to move the other occasional chair to a bedroom because we now have a lot of sitting areas.
Yeah, guys, it was now starting to look like a church, like religious. And I think what's different from the other time is that we also removed the cushion off of it, because sometimes when you have visitors, like, they have to deal with the cushion, and that occasional chair is already small. So this is our canvas painting that we had hung before we started painting. I think we're still deciding what to do with it. I don't want it anymore. I think I want a mirror.
Yeah.
As you guys can see, the other side of the dining area is not painted. We have bought paint for that, and we're going to be using an offish white, so we're going for the accent wall vibe.
So we're still going to create a bit of a studio there and a study area, so
yeah,
stay tuned
guys,
for that.
This is our TV stand that we got from Decor. I love it. It takes up all the space and it makes our TV look small.
Yeah, so guys, that's
this
our
is our home. Yeah, welcome to our home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will be updating you guys as we add additional things and as we continue to paint. So thank you for watching.
Yeah, so look down. This is what we've been up to, guys.
And remember to like and subscribe and share our videos.
We love you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.